we'll show you how to mix and match some of the tricks you just saw to make cool lines and slick combos. That's going to be a cross step into a pivot, and then you're going to do a fakie shove into a backside body varial. Here's the fakie shove, and then backside body varial. Now we're just going to show you how to connect some pivots here, front side, backside to front side. This is something called a Casanova, which is a Peter Pan step, followed by a Ghost Ride kickflip 180, but we're going to end it out in a shove. There's the Ghost Ride kickflip. Bam, shove it.
Okay. Wait. Oh no. She's trying to escape. Be crazy.